Hi all. Of course Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators are awesome from factory, but add-ons can take them to next level. In this video we'll cover upgrades that enhance capability and visual appeal. Simple parts will boost Jeep's on- and off-road performance. Want to improve your Jeep's abilities and style with easy-to-install mods? Video provides great ideas. Hey Jeep pals! Is that brutal sunny glare frying you alive on top-down days? Never fear, Voodonala's mesh sunshades ride to rescue. Great bikini tops act like barriers betwixt you and old Sol's harsh rays. Just snap them on roll bars to instantly feel cooler breezes again. Vented mesh weave keeps air flowing while blocking dangerous UV rays for you all fair-skinned outdoor lovers. Voodonala shaped their sunshade perfectly for JK models too. It stretches snug from 2007 to 2018 without gaps that let in sneaky sunlight. And you'll look mighty fine cruising town with American flag fabric flowing proud on top. For Jeepers who crave coolness, patriotic freedom and open air without heat, and, of course, you are guaranteed a cool visor. Heading off-road in your Jeep Gladiator and need backseat handles that can hang on for dear life? Look no further than cartaoo's burly grab handles, ready to give passengers a rock-solid handhold. Super handles make climbing in and out of your Gladiator a cinch, with padded paracord grips that are gentle on hands while providing a sure grip. Adjustable design fits bars from 2 to 4 inches wide, hugging roll cages in CJ, DJ, JK, JL models and more. Not only do provide grab points for tricky maneuvers, handles have integrated LED dome lights that illuminate entry and exit when doors are removed. No more stumbling around at night. Made of aluminum alloy wrapped in durable nylon, cartaoo handles can withstand years of UV rays and off-road abuse. Easily mount to cage bars with included U-bolts for a secure hold. Upgrade your Gladiator's grab handles and make rides more comfortable for whole crew. Does nighttime trailblazing leave you wishing your Jeep had way brighter beams? So install some seriously attractive lights with brackets from MWNYO. Brackets bolt solid metal extensions from factory fog light holes, perfect for rigging any auxiliary lights you fancy. With adjustable angles and illumination exactly where desired, terrain appears as a cucumber for safer picking through rocky paths after sunset. MWNYO-shaped stealth mounts clean and compact too, hugging fender contours on Wrangler and Gladiator so killer upgrades blend in like incognito bandits. Now you can ride in while turning night into day at flick of a switch. Are you driving on highway and hood of your SUV flutters like a butterfly in wind? Take back control with MWNYO's burly billet aluminum hood latches. Hardcore latches clamp down with a vengeance, using brute force of aircraft-grade aluminum to deadbolt your hood securely. No more annoying hood chatter at speed. Built for JK, JL Wranglers and JD Gladiators, MWNYO's patented design is a straight bolt-on replacement for factory parts. Installation is a breeze. Latches feature a slick black wrinkle powder coat that laughs in face of harsh UV rays and resists corrosion. Form and function combine for ultimate in hood hardware. Ditch flimsy factory latches for MWNYO's hardened latch upgrade. You'll keep that hood locked down tight through any terrain, and look good doing it. For Jeep owners seeking strength and style, this is hood latch mod you've been waiting for. Groans lifting heavy hood yet again to check oil? Is my trusty JK getting old or am I? Lately I dread contorting to prop this bulky barricade aloft for routine maintenance. If only lift assistance existed for everyday wrencher. Behold! Redline Tuning's QuickLIFT hood helpers have arrived to erase strain and frustration forever. Custom strut kits utilize factory mounting points to essentially implant powered assistance within our engine bays. Such ingenuity! I watched easy installation transform tangled tethers into a smooth pneumatic duo bolting discreetly alongside latches instead. Suddenly opening engages hidden strength to gently bear burden so I can focus on upkeep, not awkward balancing acts. And magic continues as dampened gas springs slow before fully extending, preventing forceful slamming later. Such a thoughtful, damage-preventing touch. When servicing concludes, QuickLIFT also disengages easily to revert manual mode whenever needed. Have I discovered ultimate convenience upgrade? Say adios to sore shoulders and tender hood hinges thanks to customizable liberation. Redline tuning certainly uplifts centerpiece of our beloved Jeeps. Safety first is rule number 1 out on unpredictable trails. Bentolin's contraption straps your red firefighter right onto roll bars for quick emergency access. Yes siree, custom brackets mount that vital gear securely in place no matter how extreme off-road adventures get. Smart tension strap design fits most common extinguisher sizes too, hug-in units between 5 to 7.9 diameter all comfy-like. Durable zinc steel construction means life-saving kit withstands years of UV rays and mud baths. Even better, fireproof red, white and blue pattern on straps and base adds extra Americana spirit to any ride. Is your Jeep roaring along dusty roads, leaving behind garbage scattered in all directions? Protect precious parts and boost visibility with JROAD's LED-lined fender kits. Rugged liners bolt right into JK wheel wells, shielding shocks and brakes from stones and sticks. Sleek aluminum guards debris while discreet built-in beams blast brilliant light onto dark pathways after sunset. JROAD shaped their interior armor to contour 2 and 4-door models cleanly too. No worries about sliced tires from sharp steel edges again. And that brilliant white illumination spans wide for complete corner-to-corner coverage, no more squinting into black voids. Tired of pebble pings or nighttime guesswork through technical terrain? Let her rip worry-free once you install JROAD's multifunction shields. Handmade for hazardous off-roading with bonus beaming benefits built right in. Feeling a lack of patriotism when cruising around in your Jeep Wrangler? Show your American pride and add a dash of flair with Zxiaochun's rear window flag decals. Vibrant vinyl stickers install easily to give your Wrangler a healthy dose of red, white and blue. No need to go overboard, a matching set on each rear side window is all you need to display your national spirit in subtle style. Decals are precisely cut from quality fade-resistant vinyl to fit your JL/JLU perfectly. Applying them is a breeze, just clean window, peel off backing, and smooth into place. If you ever want to go back to stock, decals remove cleanly without any sticky residue ruining your view. For patriotic Jeep owner, Zxiaochun's window flag decals let you proudly display your American colors without any garish graphics. Show your true colors in a fun and classy way. Thanks for tuning in, adventurers enthusiast. I hope you enjoyed tour of Jeep accessories to help modernize your off-road beast. Be sure to check out video description for links to all of equipment featured. Let us know what products caught your eye and if you have recommendations for ultimate Wrangler and Gladiator build. Click subscribe so you don't miss our new accessory releases.